Metamask Explained Cryptocurrency Wallet. People are curious about the purposes of the software Metamask. What is the purpose of the software and how secure is it? In this video, we are going to explain the Metamask software in a cryptocurrency wallet. Let's get started. What is a Metamask? A piece of software called Metamask makes interfacing with any blockchain considerably simpler. In essence, Metamask performs all necessary code automatically. Most of the time when you deal with a website like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, CryptoKitties, or Metamask, it serves as an intermediary, acting as both a security and accessibility layer between you and that website. Nothing can leave your Metamask wallet and access that website without your consent. So think about it like this. When you go to the store and you want to buy some grapefruit, do you have your credit card number memorized? What about the security code on the back of the day it expires? It's far simpler to simply swipe your card or enter your chip and let it handle everything, so no one memorized that. Your credit card is effectively being used in the same way by Metamask. The card itself is how you use the numbers with the Metamask, and the numbers themselves are the data. Your private key serves as the data, and the browser extension serves as a demonstration of how easy it is to use them. Is the Metamask safe? The Metamask software is actually extremely reliable and safe. You can be confident that the code source has been thoroughly examined by highly intelligent and inquisitive individuals and is, in fact, publicly available. The machine on which you use Metamask may be the most vulnerable point for you, rather than Metamask itself. For instance, if you have a virus and it tries to access Metamask, or if it records every keystroke you make on the keyboard, it will be able to determine what you are typing. One of the only methods for someone to gain access to your Metamask account is through that, and Metamask is not to blame for it. If it makes sense, it's your fault for not utilizing a safe computer. If you downloaded a false version of Metamask that was made to seem like the real thing, but actually stole your private key so that the hacker could access your finances, there is another way someone may access your Metamask data. Once more, this would be a problem with the location where you first installed Metamask rather than a security hole in the actual program. For the nerds and avid viewers of this channel, one crucial point should be noted. Meta making the business itself. You cannot access your private keys on it. They never even transmit them to their servers. In fact, your wallet passwords and private keys are always kept locally, solely on the computer you imported them to. As a result, Metamask is in fact an offline software wallet that you activate as needed. You should also be aware that they enable you to make several wallets. For instance, if you just click Add a new account, you will instantly receive a new private key, which is essentially a new wallet address. Even though you might not think this is significant, it can be really helpful if you wish to retain specific funds in various accounts. They also make switching back and forth between various private keys relatively simple. The ability to link other wallets, which Metamask allows, makes it very easy to import any additional private keys you may have. Consider the case when you have a Ledger Nano X and an account on it. Maybe you have some Ethereum. Due to the proliferation of decentralized applications, you wish to transfer your funds from your Ledger to your Metamask account. That was something you set up a year ago. You can then engage tokens anywhere. You only need to enter your mnemonic phrase and copy and paste your private key to send money to your Metamask wallet after changing addresses and paying the associated fees. Your account has now been added to both your Metamask extension and Ledger. Simply put, Metamask excels at enabling you to generate numerous wallet addresses and import existing wallets. How does Metamask make money? When a product performs admirably but doesn't cost you anything, you know that there is a hidden cost that generates revenue because the company is a business and does well to retain developers. There are primarily two methods. One benefit of Metamask is that you can use a third-party Metamask to immediately purchase cryptocurrency and add it to your wallet. Every purchase and sale that occurs through its extension generates a very modest charge for them, but these tiny payments pile up since they provide a fantastic product and a huge user base. It's similar to how credit cards might impose a transaction fee and then provide benefits to their users as a result. So many people are using them that they can afford to offer those rewards. Because so many people are using it to buy cryptocurrency, Metamask can now provide a trustworthy and dependable product. The Metamask also enables token swapping, which transfers you from Ethereum to the fundamental attention token. They also impose a remarkably minimal cost on that, and for many newcomers to cryptocurrency, it's much simpler to exchange their tokens using the Metamask browser extension than it is to visit the PancakeSwap. Enter the contract address of the token they wish to purchase, and change the transaction slippage so that it actually goes through. And make sure the gas fees are high enough so that they are reasonably fast. It's much simpler for beginners to use the Metamask alone. Metamask deducts a little cost from the extension as well. In essence, Metamask generates revenue by deducting tiny fees from transactions made through their program for buying, selling, and trading. In summary, Metamask is a software wallet that you can use to connect with the centralized application and browse the web. They can operate on several networks including the Ethereum network and the Binance Smart Chain network, and they can store multiple private keys. Additionally, Metamask is safe to use, free to download, and free to use. It is one of the most widely used Bitcoin wallets because of this. What have you learned from the video about Metamask? Do you think it's safe? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel Metaverse for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video. Bye!